trying to find this speakeasy out here in Johnson City. They said this is the spot. Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke. Okay, what's going on? I was well, I thought somebody told me that there's a bar here. It's just like a speakeasy. I don't have a password though. Uh, butterfly. It's back here. This soda machine? No way, dude. No way. What the hell? This is crazy. Dude, no way. I would have never thought. They said we went in through the wrong door. Please subscribe.
We love you.
Please buy something. We're pretty broke.